Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for your HUAWEI Nova 10. So we need to start with opening our app gallery. Right here locate app called Notify Body. Now we need to press on it. It will navigate us to the web page in which we need to download the app file. So when you download this app, you should be able to install it. Now let's open the app which we just downloaded. Here we need to move to the next step and grant overlay permission to the app, as well as notification permission. This is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I'm not gonna do that. Now move to the next step, click on OK, and from here we can start using this app. You can see 4 tabs down here, first one being user, in which you can select any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. Next is system, and there's all system-bound apps. Here we have active, and you can see all apps that we've just activated. And in the settings we can change anything about the LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen. But now let's press on the test button and we can see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.